Hi traders, you're welcome to this video and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. So in this particular video, we are just going to be looking at the Prosperity Academy. So if you are a trader who is in search of a Forex Academy, perhaps where you can learn one or two things or enhance your trading knowledge, then we are just going to be looking at Prosperity Academy so that you can consider if it is a good platform for you. All right. So briefly, we can see that the Prosperity Academy is a platform that teaches students about the Forex market. They have a mission where anyone around the world can earn from their experience trading, from the financial market. And we can see, based on the information here, they use institutional style trading techniques and they also use smart money concepts. So if you are a fan of the SMC, then you might find the Prosperity Academy quite interesting. Okay. Now, they said that they use these techniques to win in the market consistently and profitably. But I want to tell you that in trading, profit is not guaranteed. Okay. In as much as they might have a good track record, but past performance does not guarantee future returns. All right. So bear that in mind, that they might have good results, but just know that profit is not guaranteed. Okay. So whether you are an experienced market trader, inspiring trader, or an investor who would like to benefit from the experiences of the tutors on this platform, then they offer coaching plans, products, and services to meet your learning and financial goals. Okay, so we're just going to be checking out the trading plans that they offer in case of if you would want to try this platform out. Okay. All right, so you can see the Prosperity Academy teach swing trading price action concepts. They teach intraday scalping techniques. So if you are a swing trader, then I think you are covered. If you are an intraday trader and scalper, I think you are also covered. Okay. And if you trade the futures market, I think you're also covered. All right. So they cover different strategies. As we can see, they say whether you are trading New York session or overnight global session for different traders from around the world, we have and teach unique special strategies, techniques, and knowledge of institutional footprint, price action based on key levels and price delivery algorithms. Okay. So basically, if you are a trader who, whether you trade currency pairs or you trade futures, then Prosperity Academy got you covered. Okay. And then they teach a couple of strategies. As you can see, it seems like it's not just one strategy that they teach. They teach different strategies, perhaps to cover different kinds of traders. Okay. And different kinds of trading techniques, right? So here are the plans available. They have the premier coaching, which is a one-time fee of $799.99, and then they have the VIP coaching full mentorship plan, which is $1,999. It's also a one-time fee. Okay. And you can see the features of the $799.99 plan. They also have the $499.99 plan, and this one is free by email request. Okay, it said it's free by email request. It's the basic coaching plan. Okay. All right, so these are the features of the basic coaching plan: the lifetime access to Forex basics trading course, over 20 hours of video lessons, They also have this plan offers weekly market top-down technical and fundamental news analysis with trade calls and setups to develop your trade plans. Okay, so even if you are just starting out and perhaps you need someone to call trades for you, maybe you haven't learned how to identify signals effectively. Prosperity Academy, as we can see here, they call trades and they give setups. Okay, so you can be able to learn faster when you have a coach that tells you when it's a potential time to perhaps enter the market, and when you get access to trading setups, okay, you can be able to learn faster. All right, and then they also offer, okay, member only login, back office, access to member community, 247 access to lessons and downloads with current tuition, priority notice to special discounts, events, and training. All right, that's for the basic coaching plan. And as for the premier coaching, you can see, yeah, 12 months coaching and development session once a month, lifetime access to Forex and futures training courses. This one has over 200 hours video lessons, unlike the basic coaching plan that just have over 20 hours. So if you're looking for more detailed training or more detailed resource, then the premier coaching offers more compared to the basic coaching plan. Okay, and the premier coaching also offers weekly live trade. So if you want to participate in weekly live trades, okay, where you get to trade live alongside your coach or alongside the tutors, right, then the premier coaching might be a great option for you, right? And then they also offer exclusive access to AI predictive analysis for forex pairs, gold, metal indices, and oil commodity. You know, you get to know the price direction 24 hours in advance. Well, according to them, they say that it has 86% accuracy. Okay, but it's important that you approach these figures with some level of skepticism. All right, even though it might be correct, the figures might be correct, but just know that nothing is guaranteed, right? Profit, in terms of profit is not guaranteed in trading. Trading carries risk. All right, so when you are joining any platform to learn or to trade, to learn how to trade or to invest, just bear in mind that profit is not guaranteed. Okay, it's important to always have that in mind. Okay, the premier coaching also offers VIP coaching plan. Okay, exclusive access to Telegram signals. So they also give signals. So even before you learn how to master the markets for yourself, you get access to signals, right? All right, they also offer weekly market top down, exclusive access to a trading system and the master course for free. Okay, live group coaching sessions and all of that. Okay, they have interesting features, right? This premier coaching have interesting features. Okay, then the VIP coaching definitely is going to have even more. You can see there is a bi-weekly one-to-one coaching session. So you're gonna have access to one-to-one coaching session. There's lifetime access to forex and futures training courses. This one also has over 200 hours video lessons. Yeah, they cover lessons including ultimate basics, intermediate bootcamp, advanced accessible via PC, tablet, or mobile. So you can be able to access the courses via your PC or your tablet or even your mobile phones. Okay, yeah, and they also offer weekly live trades, so you get to see live trades from your trainers. Okay, yeah, there's a live trading room. All right, exclusive access to AI as well, just like the premier coaching. And then there's also VIP coaching plan, just like the premier coaching as well. Okay, let's see if there's any unique thing here. All right, seems like the difference between the premier coaching and the VIP coaching is probably around the 1 year. The exclusive access to AI is 1 year in the case of the VIP, but the premier coaching is just 6 months. Then as for the weekly live trading room is also 1 year, then the premier coaching is just 6 months. Okay, so I think these are like some of a few of the most noticeable differences, then here the coaching sessions is bi-weekly. Okay, it's bi-weekly, but this is monthly. It's monthly. So you can see the VIP coaching offers more features compared to the premier coaching. All right, so these are for the pricings. All right, these are the trading plans. So before we end this video, let us just look at what Prosperity Academy got to say about themselves. All right, okay, so we can see the head coach here, the coach, Leonard FX Sniper Williams Jr. Leonard Williams Jr. is the coach. He's the founder and CEO and the head trainer. Okay, all right, and we can see his certificate here, certificate of funding. All right, well, so far it looks good. So far the Prosperity Academy looks like a good platform to consider. Okay, it looks like a good platform to consider. So you can see they offer a lot of resources, books, guides, and PDF handouts. Okay, and they offer different lessons from beginners to advanced. So whether you are just starting out in trading, if you are a newbie, or even if you are an advanced trader, you have something to learn from the Prosperity Academy. Okay, and then you can also be able to join the live trading sessions, specifically New York session. Okay, to trade with the pro trader, learn and analyze the same trades. You may just catch some good setups while you are learning. So even during the process of learning, you have the opportunity to also make some money, right? But note that profit is not guaranteed. Okay, trading carries risk. I have to keep on emphasizing that. All right, so far, if you think Prosperity Academy is a good choice for you, then you might want to check out their website at www.fxprosperityacademy.com. Okay, you can do a more detailed review for yourself. If you find this platform interesting, you can check out their platform and go through everything that you would like to know more about. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the Forex Geek channel for more videos like this. We cover a lot of trading related videos, including reviews, indicators, signals, systems, strategies. We cover a lot of things, everything Forex basically. Okay, so don't forget to also share this video to those who you think are going to find it beneficial. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and happy trading.